Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Niaziati binti Nik Jamaluddin, matric number 136656. Today we will learn about teaching and learning of mathematics through problem solving. The problem given is, in a fruit basket, 2/5 are mangoes and the rest are rambutan. If 2/3 of the mangoes or 12 of them are in a good condition, calculate the number of rambutans in the basket. So, how I'm going to teach my student about this problem? I will teach this problem by using Polya's problem solving technique. There are 4 principles in this technique. First principle is understand the problem. Second principle, devise a plan. Polya's third principle, carry out the plan. And the fourth principle is look back. Polya's first principle is understand the problem. In this principle, student must understand what the problem is asking, what student know from the question, and what student need to find out. What students need to do to understand the problem? As a teacher, first I will ask students to read the problem slowly and carefully. Then I will ask students, do you understand all the words used in stating the problem? And what are you asked to find or show based on the question? Second, I will ask students to underline important information. And third, I will ask students to cross information that are not needed. Example, student underline 2/5 are mangoes and the rest are rambutan as important information because it tells students there are 2 types of fruit in the basket. Students also underline that 2/3 mangoes or 12 of them are in good condition. This information will tell students that there are 2 types of mangoes, which are good mangoes and bad mangoes. And the most important thing is students underline the thing that they are need to find, which is they are asked to find the number of rambutan. Polya's second principle is devise a plan. Students need to decide on a strategy to use to solve the problem and what math skill that students need to do. In this step, I will give time for students to discuss and make a plan with their group mates about what strategy they will use to solve this problem. After they finish discuss, I will ask students what method they use to solve this problem. Example, when a student draw like this, student can see what they need to find and what information they get from the question. They also can organize their information so that they get clear idea what strategy they can use to answer the problem. Polya's third principle is carry out the plan. Students need to set up the appropriate math operation and formula to solve the problem. In this step, I will ask students to write the solution using the method that they have planned on the Manila card. Then, I will guide the student if they had any difficulties to solve the problem using the method that they have planned. Lastly, I will ask one representative from each group to present their solution to the whole class. Simple answer. From the question, we know there are 2/5 mangoes, and from 2/5 mangoes, there are 2/3 or 12 good mangoes. From this statement, we can conclude there are 2 types of mangoes, which are good mangoes and bad mangoes. To find bad mangoes, all mangoes will minus good mangoes. So, 1 minus 2/3 good mangoes. Student will get 1/3 bad mangoes. This means ratio of good mangoes to bad mangoes is 2 to 1. To find number of bad mangoes, 12 divide with 2. So the number of bad mangoes are 6. And to find total number of mangoes, we need to add good mangoes with bad mangoes. Good mangoes are 12 and bad mangoes are 6. So the total number of mangoes are 18. The question asks us to calculate the number of rambutan in the basket. There are no information about rambutan from the question, but we can use the information of mangoes to calculate the number of rambutan. To find the rambutan, all fruit in the basket minus mangoes. So 1 minus 2 over 5 mangoes. Students will get 3 over 5 rambutan in the fruit basket. This means ratio of mangoes to rambutan are 2 to 3. To find number of rambutan, 3 need to divide with 2 and multiply with 18. Student will get 27. So, the total number of rambutan are 27. Polya's fourth principle is look back. Students need to check the answer to make sure it is correct. In this step, as a teacher, I will make sure to check the student's solution. I also will ask students to write down the correct answer if what the answer is wrong. And I will ask students to write down the others group working solution. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.